6th Division of the Nigerian Army in Port Harcourt has reportedly arrested and detained investigative journalist Fisayo Soyombo. NaijaNews reports that Fisayo, who is the founder of the Foundation for Investigative Journalism, has reportedly been detained for 3 days. According to Sahara reporters, Soyombo's detention may be linked to his work exposing corruption and smugglers' aid by the Nigerian Customs Services. The Foundation for Investigative Journalism called for the immediate release and raised alarm over the increasing threats to press freedom in the country. Soyombo, known for his investigative reporting on high-profile issues such as corruption, abuse of power, and human rights violations, has previously faced various threats and harassments. The 6th Division of the Nigerian Army in Port Harcourt has been detaining our founder, Fisayo Soyombo, 3 days running. Journalism is not a crime, FIJ said. Recall that in early November, Soyombo released videos to establish his smuggling allegations involving Nigerian Customs Service (NCS) officers. Fisayo, in a statement issued on his verified social media handles, had alleged that Nigerian custom officers had conspired with Adeyemi Habib Abdulgani, an alleged multi-billionaire in Naira smuggler, better known as Abuga, to illegally pass about 2,000 cars and smuggle in bags of rice into the country. He had said the illegal operation was slated to take place on Sunday, 10th of November 2024. Soyombo wrote, "All is set. Your men, working with Adeyemi Habib Abdulgani, the multi-billionaire smuggler, better known as Abuga, are primed to pass more than 2,000 cars containing at least 65 bags of rice each from Bebe in the Benin Republic into Songo, Nigeria. Some of these cars will enter Songo from the toll gates by driving against traffic, consequently endangering lives, while some will gain entry into Songo through Ifo. Others will use the Ojuore Ota route. Road users in Songo can expect traffic congestion early tomorrow morning, unless this post prompts an about face from the actors. I understand as well that soldiers from the 192 Battalion at Owode will be patrolling during the journey to prevent any resistance. So, at Custom Nigeria, just so you know, the people are watching. They will be hysterically laughing at you when you announce seizure of 1 million bags of rice and 25 cartons of guns later this week. However, the Nigerian Customs Service (NCS) National Public Relations Officer Abdullahi Aliu Meiwada had told Sahara reporters that Fisayo's claims were fictitious. He said it was illogical for anyone to believe their personnel were involved in the illegal operation. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more reliable and verified news updates.